video, I will show you how to fix your account has been disabled problem in Facebook. If your account has been disabled by Facebook without any reason, what you can do is go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook. If you scroll down below, you will find App Support. Click on it. Here you will find three options: website, email and privacy policy. Click on email. Now click on Gmail. After that, this email will open. Here write the subject, fix account disabled. Then write this email. Here you can write, "Hello Facebook team, my Facebook account has been disabled. I have not intentionally violated any community guidelines or terms of service. If my account was mistakenly disabled, please help me restore it after reviewing." Then give your Facebook name, registered email, registered phone number. Thank you for understanding and support. Regards, and then write your name. Then right beside this send button, you will find this paperclip icon. Click on it. Then click on photos and attach the screenshot of the page which shows your account was disabled. After that, simply click send. Within 24 to 48 hours, Facebook will review your account, your activity, and if you have really not violated any terms and conditions and community guidelines, your account will be restored. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.